In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and hitting Google after scrolling down. Then tap on All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Following that, select one of your passwords that you wish to check. Enter your screen lock and tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!